I leave, say fuck the song. Hell of a end up mixing the motherfucker, putting drops in that bitch, all that bitch, and resent it to me. One day I remember that I was in the hood. I had a Magnum and shit. I had crazy sounds in that bitch, high tweeters, all that shit. And I remember pulling up, banging that bitch. Every nigga at the same time said, "What the fuck is that?"
Mm-hmm.
I said, "This the same song I recorded while all y'all was in the studio." They was like, "No, it can't be." I was like, "This it." When I tell you, nigga, that bitch took off. I'm about talking about took off everywhere. Like I had niggas wanting to do the remix to this bitch. Like different industry niggas wanted to
Mm-hmm.
do remixes to this shit and all this different kind of shit. But I never got around to the shit because personal shit happened in the streets, whatever, whatever. But I never got around to that shit. But that bitch right there took the fuck off, dog. I'm talking about that bitch was everywhere. That bitch had Atlanta going. That bitch had Kentucky going, Tennessee, all through the Midwest. That bitch was going crazy.